Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today's word is one that pops up everywhere, literally. The word is ubiquitous. It looks tricky, sounds fancy, but don't worry, I'll help you master it in no time. So, how do you say it? Correct pronunciation is ubiquitous. Let's break it down step by step. First, you, just like, well, you. Next, bic, which sounds like bike without the edge. Then we, like the word we. And finally, tus, which rhymes with bus. Now say it with me, ubiquitous. One more time, ubiquitous. So, what does ubiquitous mean? It describes something that seems to be everywhere, so common that you can't escape it. For example, smartphones are ubiquitous these days. You see them everywhere. Or coffee shops in a big city, totally ubiquitous. Did you know the word ubiquitous comes from the Latin word ubique, which literally means everywhere? So when you use ubiquitous, you're basically speaking ancient Latin. Kind of cool, right? Now the spelling tip, it's spelled ubiquitous. Just remember, it starts with ubi, like you be everywhere. Now that you've got it, you can use ubiquitous like a pro, whether you're talking about social media, fast food chains, or even memes that are, well, ubiquitous. Thanks for watching Say It Right. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who loves learning new words. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.